Hello everyone, welcome back to another math tutorial. In this lesson, we're going to learn about acute, obtuse, and reflex angles. So first, what is an angle? An angle is formed when two rays meet at a point called the vertex. The size of the angle depends on how far one ray is turned from the other. Now let's look at the three types of angles. Acute angles are angles that are smaller than 90 degrees. They are sharp and narrow. For example, 30 degrees and 60 degrees are acute angles. Obtuse angles are angles that are greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. They are wider than right angles. For example, 120 degrees is an obtuse angle. Reflex angles are angles that are greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. They are larger angles that go around the outside. For example, 240 degrees is a reflex angle. Let's check some examples. Triangle often has acute angles like 45 degrees. A quadrilateral may have an obtuse angle like 100, 35 degrees. A reflex angle can be seen when a clock shows 10:10, the larger angle. Between the hands is reflex. So to summarize, acute equals less than 90 degrees. Obtuse equals between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. Reflex equals between 180 degrees and 360 degrees. And that's your quick introduction to acute, obtuse, and reflex angles. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more math tutorials.